Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. If you're an anime enthusiast like me, you know how important it is to have access to your favorite shows on all your devices. Today, we're diving into the world of Roku and Crunchyroll. I'll be sharing 4 fantastic ways to get Crunchyroll on your Roku device. So, let's get started. Segment 1, Roku Channel Store. The most straightforward way to get Crunchyroll on your Roku is through the Roku Channel Store. Here's how you do it. Navigate to the home screen on your Roku device. Scroll down and select streaming channels to open the channel store. In the search bar, type Crunchyroll and hit enter. Click on the Crunchyroll icon in the search results. Select Add Channel to install Crunchyroll on your Roku. Segment 2, Roku Mobile App. Another convenient way to get Crunchyroll on Roku is by using the Roku mobile app. Here's how. Download and install the Roku mobile app on your smartphone. Open the app and connect to your Roku device. Tap on the Channels tab at the bottom of the screen. Search for Crunchyroll in the channel store. Once you find it, select Add Channel to install it on your Roku. Segment 3, Screen Mirroring. If you prefer a more hands-on approach, you can use the screen mirroring feature. This is great if you have the Crunchyroll app on your smartphone. Follow these steps. Make sure your Roku device and smartphone are on the same Wi-Fi network. On your Roku, go to Settings greater than System greater than Screen Mirroring greater than Enable Screen Mirroring. On your smartphone, enable screen mirroring. This varies depending on your device. Once connected, open the Crunchyroll app on your smartphone, and the content will be mirrored on your Roku screen. Segment 4, Streaming Sticks with Roku. If you're using a Roku streaming stick, you can easily enjoy Crunchyroll as well. Here's how. Plug your Roku streaming stick into your TV. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your Roku streaming stick. Once set up, go to the channel store and search for Crunchyroll. Install the Crunchyroll channel, and you're all set to enjoy your favorite anime on the big screen. Conclusion. And there you have it, 4 fantastic ways to get Crunchyroll on your Roku device. Whether you prefer the channel store, the Roku mobile app, screen mirroring, or streaming sticks, there's a method that suits your preferences. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Smart 4 Home, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more tech tips and anime-related content. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming.